construction of a tangent to a circle. There are three types of tangents we are going to draw. This is practical geometry. First two types, we are going to draw a tangent from a point on a circle. Okay, we have to mention a point on a circle. For example, here P. We have to draw a circle, mark any point P on a circle, and through that point we have to draw a tangent. Okay, what is a tangent? Tangent is a line which touches the circle at one point. Tangent is a line which touches the circle at one point. Then very important thing, the tangent and the radius, the point is P is called a point of contact. Where the tangent touches the circle, that point is called as point of contact. So at the point of contact, the radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so first type, we are going to construct a tangent on a point, we are going to construct a tangent through the point P on a circle. Okay, using center. First method using center. Second method using tangent chord theorem. Okay, so first we are going to construct a tangent to a circle using the center from the point on a circle. So draw a circle of radius 3 cm, take a point P on the circle and draw a tangent at P. We have to take a point P on a circle, and on this point we are going to draw a tangent. First, draw a circle, radius 3 cm, mark the point P, draw one tangent. The name of the tangent is T dash. Okay, this is the method using center. So first we are going to draw a circle, okay, with the radius 3 cm. This radius is 3 cm. Draw a circle, mark the center as O. We have to mark any point P, not only here, anywhere we can mark on the circle. Then keep the compass at P. Take the measurement less than OP, that is less than 3 cm. We are going to cut 5 arcs using this same radius. So first keep the compass at the point P and draw a circle, semicircle. Like a semicircle, we have to cut a very big arc. Next, mark this point as A. This point as A. Keep the compass at A. Now we are cutting the second arc. Mark the point as B. Now third arc with the same radius. This is C. Then at C, fourth arc. At B, keep the compass and draw the fifth arc. Okay. First, take the radius less than OP. Draw a very big arc like a semicircle. Mark this point as A. This arc should come below the line OP. Mark the point as A. From A, cut one arc. From B, we are cutting the third arc. And from C, cut one arc. And from B, cut another arc. Now, we have to join these 2 points like this. Okay. Now this will be perpendicular. See, if you measure it will be 90 degrees, sharply 90 degrees. Okay, mark it as T dash. With O center and with radius 3 cm, draw a circle, mark a point P anywhere on the circle, join OP. Okay, and take the radius less than OP and cut a arc. It meet OP at A. From A with the same radius, cut another arc. and mark the point as B. From B, cut another arc, mark the point as C. And with B and C as centers, cut two arcs. And the point of intersection and the point P we have to join. Okay, so mention it as t dash. T dash is a required tangent. So tangent using center, using the center we are drawing. This is the first method. Thank you.